Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to see memories on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to see your memories from year ago on your Facebook because you want to share it again on your feed. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see your memories on Facebook. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this Facebook homepage. What you need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, as you can see, your shortcuts. And you'll see here the all shortcuts. Under the all shortcuts, tap on these memories. And then in here, here is the memories. As you can see, we hope you enjoy looking back and sharing your memories on Facebook from the most recent to those long ago. As you can see, on this day here are the 1 year ago. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your memories on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your memories on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.